In a class of 50 students, 32 are math club members, 23 are members of the science club, and 10 are members of both clubs. Find the probability of M. This M here represents the math club members. Then the probability of S, or the science club members, and the probability of M union S. So this kind of problem is under the probability of union of two events. In English, we have simple sentences. We also have compound sentences. So similarly in math, we have simple events. We also have compound events or union of two events. So this kind of problem can be easily solved by using the Venn diagram that will help us to analyze the given problem by using the diagram or by illustration. So first, we're going to draw a rectangle that represents our universal set. Then, two overlapping circles that represents the set for math club members and for the science club members. So we will start writing from the intersection. So in here, 10 of them are members of both clubs. Then 32 are math club members. Since 10 of them were already written here, we'll just write the rest here. So that is by subtracting 32 and 10, and this gives us 22. So 22 plus 10, that is 32, and these are the math club members in our given. Then for the science club members, since 10 were already written here, so 23 minus 10 is 13. So 10 plus 13, that's 23, that's in our given. So since we have 50 students in all, and as you observe, if we're going to add 22 plus 10 plus 13, this gives us 45. So it means there are only 45 students who are members of these clubs. So where are the rest of the students? So those 5 members are neither math club members nor science club members. So they are written outside these two sets, but they should be written inside or within the universal set. So let's start finding the probability that a student chosen is a math club members. So since we have 22 plus 10, we have 32 students are math club members here. So it means there are 32 out of 50, and this will be our, or the probability of M. Or if we can still reduce it, so that is 16 over 25. So that is the probability that a student chosen is a math club members. Now, how about the probability of S, or science club members? So since we have 23 students here that are science members, so 23 out of 50, and since this cannot be simplified anymore, and this will be our answer. Now, to get the probability of M union S, so we'll just simply add them all. So there are 22 students out of 50 who are math club members. Then there are 10 out of 50 students who are both members of math and science club. And lastly, 13 students who are members of science club out of 50 students. Just simply add them all, and this gives us 45. Then copy the common denominator 50. And lastly, simplify it, and that is 9 over 10. So the probability of M union S is 9/10.